Yo, welcome guys. Are you looking to get some free movies and TV shows and maybe some live TV on the side on your Fire TV stick? You've definitely come to the right place. First thing we're going to need to do is download a program called Downloader. I already have it loaded up here, but all you need to do is go into the search icon, start typing in a downloader, D-O-W-N, and it populates itself pretty quickly here. Click on Downloader, get it, install it, and we can go over to the little settings icon. If I'm going too fast, push the pause button to catch up. Under settings, go to My Fire TV. And when we're in My Fire TV, if you do not have developer options, click the select button about 7 times and then say you are now a developer. As it says no need, you are already a developer on me. We can back out, go to developer options, turn on ADB debugging, and under install unknown apps, click on it, and under downloader, turn it on. This will allow downloader to install other applications that are not available from the Amazon store, but available on the Google Play Store. Okay, once that's all done, if you want to learn how to put downloader up into your quick menu bar, you can just go to your apps and games icon and find downloader. Use the little hamburger button or also the 3-line button, and we can move it to the front and automatically move it to the front. Next thing you're going to need is a nice little VPN. I would suggest SurfShark. So just type in here SurfShark VPN, S-U-R, SurfShark VPN application. Look around for it. There it is. We can click on it, get it, install it. Use the link below to get yourself a nice little discount on SurfShark. And once you're in here, I usually go down and find, right now I have favorites located, but if you came in here and scrolled all the way down to United States, found a link that looks good. SurfShark has a lot of different servers out there to secure your network activity or internet activity from external sources that may want to damage your system. So we can go in here like Phoenix. I already have Buffalo plugged in, so it's running, it's good to go. I'm connected. Now once you've done that, let's go into or open up Downloader and type in a quick URL, but it's a shortcut, so 546-835 and hit go. Or you can type in ledbytheunknown.com and it'll head there too. There is a 5-second redirect just because it is a short link to the website, so you can download some applications available on the Google Play Store. Once it's loaded up, click your little 3-line button on your remote again, add current page to the favorites, and then say yes. I already have it, so it's going to say there's an error since we already have it. Don't duplicate it, so I'm just going to cancel right there. And now we're at the website. You can scroll down here. This first one, download our little app store online so we can download these great apps onto your Fire Stick. And guys, search through them. There's plenty down here to search from. So let's just go to movies, TV shows, live streaming. So we got ESPN, DAZN, Peacock, Watch OWN. So let's try Pluto TV. So Pluto TV, we can come down, install. This application is available on the Google Play Store, so if you have an Android device, you can download it right from Google, or you can download it from here, whatever works. And we're not going to open it yet, but we're going to hit done once it's installed. And then we're going to hit delete because we no longer need this APK file. Now remember, up and down, check it all out. Some of these, like if we went down to, let's check out Zumo TV, Zumo Play. Scroll down here and it'll show us the downloads available through your Amazon or Android device or mobile. All right. Once you've done all that and found what you wanted, we can go back to the home screen. Go back to your apps and games icon, the little 3 squares plus sign, and find Pluto TV. Again, hit the little 3 lines button or hamburger button, and you can move that to the front. And here, now that it's moved to the front and the icon just takes a second to load, we can click on Pluto TV. For the first time here, Pluto TV, it's loading. And it's good to go. So we got free movies, TV shows, live TV. Well, you can come up. Here's the movies, TV shows. See if I can get my... There we go. It takes a few minutes for it to populate all the images for your first run through. There's a bunch of, like, some of them are older, like An Italian Job, 2003, How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days. Like, they're not necessarily the latest and greatest, but there are actual Pluto TV movies and TV shows made for Pluto, kind of like made for Netflix. And then under the live section here, we have live TV. Some of these are like Pluto TV live TVs, which is kind of not necessarily reruns, but the Truman Show. There's the action, comedy network, drama, romance, crime, thrillers, horror. There we can watch Top Gun, staff picks. Entertainment, so the Paramount Network. Look at that, AMC. If you want to watch Baywatch all day, go ahead. Heartland all day. These are kind of just 24/7 reruns. Not reruns, but replays. Star Trek. The list, there's hundreds. There we can NBC, CBS, CNN. Hundreds of movies, hundreds of TV shows, guys. Hundreds of live TV channels, or thousands. Where are we at? 7, 8. Obviously, this isn't every single. But there's game shows, daytime, comedy, classic TV. Like, the list just keeps going. Sports. Guys, you want some sports? Look at this. We got ourselves Fox, CBS, Fox, NFL, MLB, golf. This is all right, fully legal, fully legit application for your Fire TV stick. Enjoy it. Come back for more. Check out my other channels like this one or that one. And hope you guys have a good day. All right. Piece of cake. Super easy to install these applications. Remember, check out the rest of the store too. All right. Take care. Peace.